Every time I want to do a screen recording, my screen looks like this. There's applications and windows everywhere. Well, did you know you can use the built-in Apple script support to get them all organized? I've created an app that I click on it right now, and it's going to resize all the active windows so that my terminal, so that my code editor, and the browser all have the same dimensions and they're positioned all in the center of the screen. So this is all in my blog post. I've shared the script. So all you have to do is open the Automator. That's the application that comes bundled with your Mac. Create a new document. Now here, the important bit is to choose an application. So we're building an application, not a quick action or a workflow. Once we do that, we're going to be triggering an action right away. And that's called a Apple script action. So run Apple script, choose it here, double click it or drag it to the right side. Now go back to the blog post, copy the code there, paste it in here. If we look at it briefly, here you can adjust the target width and height of the window. And then it's going to ask the Finder for the screen width and screen height so that it can do the math, the calculation as where the coordinates of all the windows should be. And then it basically does the same loop over the system event windows for all the open applications and sets the position. So that's one of the corners, I believe, or the center of the screen. Actually, I don't know. It's one of the corners, yeah. Then the size of the window. And that's it. And that's what it's going to run. Now we're going to save it. Let's call it resizer. Or resize all. If we're going to run it, it's going to be asking for the permissions to the Finder, because obviously it needs to get the screen width and height. Same with the system events in order to control all the windows there. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't stop there. So we need to open the system settings and actually pull it up at the accessibility. So it's under privacy and security. There's accessibility section there. We can enable it for the resize all. And now when I click on this again, it should be able to trigger and run and resize. Now, in order to verify that it actually did, let me just move this around, click this again, and it moved it in place. Now, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to move this browser window here and open up the terminal, put it here, go back to the Finder, and click on the resize all. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Go check out the blog post and let me know if you have any questions.